Hi, this is Stephen with Fastcall. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Fastcall's dial and SMS by list functionality. This is useful for outbound call center type environments where you're contacting a lot of records. This functionality must be enabled by your Salesforce administrator before you can use it. Once it is enabled, you can go to a list view for the relevant record type to trigger it. In this case, I've set it up on contact records, so I can open up my contact records, go to all contacts, and I can see that it's added an additional button, dial with Fastcall, to the list of possible actions for contacts. I'm going to search for some specific contacts. You can also use list view filters to get the same effect. So, for example, you could filter by campaign membership. I can then select the contacts that I wish to contact and use the button Dial with Fastcall. This opens up the mass dialer, which is used for both calls and SMS messages. And I can also choose whether I want to contact the business or mobile phone numbers for the records. There are then two options, either start a call or send SMS. Let's look at what happens when we click Send SMS. It opens the Fastcall widget, where I can type the body of the SMS, or I can insert a template. I then click Send SMS, and you can see it sent 2 SMS messages off. It's then removed them from the mass dialer list of things to contact because the action has been taken. Let's go back. Contacts, all contacts. Filter again. Select the contacts I wish to contact and go back to the mass dialer. This time I'm going to use the call functionality. This will start calls one after the other rather than simultaneously, so it will power through the list of contacts. So this is starting the first call. I'm going to deny the call, so it didn't get through. You can see at the bottom I've got a dial next record after, and it's already started the next call. And I'm not going to go ahead with this call, I'm going to end the call. There's no next record to call, so the dial next record after button hasn't appeared. Close the call, no answer. And there we see 2 calls, one after the other, made in the Fastcall widget. And again, the mass dialer updates each time with the next record that it's going to contact. And because there are no records left, the mass dialer is empty. And that's it for the Fastcall dial and SMS by list functionality.